Filters are at the core of every screener in MarketAlpha. You apply them from the Data Filter sidebar on the right side of both the Ticker Screener and Group Screener. Every filter you add updates results in real time. There is no apply button and no manual refresh. All filters are safe with your screener profile and are included even when you share them with others. Let's talk about individual filters. Individual filters let you build your own logic from scratch. Let's add filters for countries, themes, and relative strength over 1 year. To add a filter into your filter group, just left-click it. If you want to understand what a filter does, hover over the info icon to read about it. Or here. And if you already know what you're looking for, use the search input to find any ticker instantly across all folders. Once you add a filter, you can edit it in a few ways. If you click into the input box, you'll often see suggested values as presets that you can apply instantly. Or you can choose your operator and type your own values manually. You have a wide range of operators available. For text-based filters, you can filter by words that start with or end with certain letters, contain specific phrases, or select multiple items to include or exclude. For countries, let's select multiple items like the US, UK, and Germany. For themes, let's exclude artificial intelligence. And for relative strength, let's apply a range between 70 and 99. As you build, you can duplicate any filter to create variations quickly. And delete filters you don't need. Finally, one of the most powerful filtering features is comparing two metrics directly. Let's add the 50-day moving average as a filter. Set the operator to greater than. And choose the 200-day moving average as the other metric. This immediately shows symbols where the 50-day moving average is above the 200-day moving average. Once you're finished building your filter logic, you can save it as part of your screener profile. Or save just the filters on their own as a filter profile. Click Save Filter Profile, and that filter profile is saved and can be loaded anytime from the Data Filter sidebar.